I want to create an experience in which it's like, I'm putting gas in your engine, but I'm not telling you where to drive. But we're building you a spaceship. We're not telling you where to go. My name is Aaron Taylor Kuffner, and I create sonic kinetic sculptures. And I have a long-running series called the Gamelatron, which fuses Indonesian gamelan with robotics and electronic technology. When you have headphones over your ears, it's really those only, you have a couple of bones in your ears that are vibrating in a way in which we interpret sound. Truth of it is, the same way that like a lot of taste actually happens from smell, a lot of sound happens in the entire body. Like, even though it's this, little shaking in your ear that we kind of interpret, really we're taking in the full body experience of it. So I tried to build a sculpture in which your entire body, rather than just your ears, are able to feel these frequencies. I think that there's no coincidence that Indonesian culture, which represents a lot of different tribes and peoples and religions and ways of being, incorporated what we call gamelan music into those rites and rituals, into their religious and spiritual practices, because there's power in it. Because resonance and the power of that resonance really does call to attention a different part of the mind and creates the possibility for out-of-body and spiritual experience. The experience that someone has, all I'm trying to do is make it potent, is to make it, I'm just trying to make a really nice spaceship.